In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Chatgpt API key. Whether you're a developer looking to integrate AI into your application or simply curious about accessing the powerful capabilities of OpenAI's services, obtaining an API key is your first crucial step. Let's dive into this straightforward process that you can complete in just a few minutes. To begin, you'll want to navigate to OpenAI's website. This is where everything starts, so make sure you're visiting the official OpenAI page to avoid any security issues. Once you arrive at the homepage, you'll need to either log into an existing account or create a new one if you haven't already. For those of you who have an account, simply click on the login option and enter your credentials. But if you're new to OpenAI, don't worry. Creating an account is quick and easy. Just follow the prompts to set up your account using a valid email address and a secure password. Once you've taken care of that, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now that you've logged in, the next destination is the API keys page. This is usually found in the dashboard or under the settings menu. It might take a moment to find if you're unfamiliar with the layout, but once you locate it, everything else will fall into place. On the API keys page, you'll see an option to create a new secret key. There's usually a button labeled Create New Secret Key. Give that a click. This action will prompt a new screen where you'll need to provide a name for your key. This name is important for you to manage and distinguish between different keys if you plan on creating more than one in the future. Be clear and precise with this naming. Something like "My first AI project key" could work if it helps you remember its purpose. After naming your key, you're now ready to create it. Simply click Create Secret Key. At this point, the system will generate a new key specifically for you. It's important to note that this key is sensitive information. Hence, once your key is displayed, you should copy it immediately. Do this either by selecting it directly and using the copy function or clicking a provided copy button if available. Remember, this key won't be shown again, so it's vital to save it securely in a place where you can easily retrieve it but also ensure it's protected from unauthorized access. And there you have it. You've just generated your Chatgpt API key. Keep it safe because this key is your gateway to harnessing the full power of OpenAI's technologies in your projects. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out other tutorials if you're interested in learning more about what you can achieve with OpenAI's tools.